Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account type and why you want followers instead of friends. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Privacy or Followers. This is where the toggle lives. Make sure you back up any profile data or contact lists so nothing is lost. You do this because switching interaction models can change who sees posts and how people connect. Next, look for options labeled Follow, Followers, or Who can friend you so you can make the first change. Now you enable the Follow feature and adjust who can follow you. Once you toggle Allow Followers, choose the visibility setting, Everyone to maximize reach, or a tighter option to filter requests. Make sure to set message and comment permissions for followers, because followers often have limited interaction versus friends. You do this to preserve privacy while enabling broader access. After saving, check how the change displays on your profile so incoming friend requests are routed as follows or converted appropriately. Finish by converting any pending friend requests into followers where the platform allows. Often you accept or change the request type per user. Once complete, post a brief note or message to contacts explaining the switch so expectations align. If the setting doesn't stick, make sure you clear cache, update the app, and retry. Make sure you're not using conflicting privacy rules or third-party tools. If problems persist, contact platform support and describe the settings you changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.